Alrighty, what is going on everybody, and welcome back to another YouTube tutorial, where today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to optimize your PC to get the most amount of FPS, the least amount of input delay, and the best ping in 2025. Now, to keep in mind guys, this isn't a super detailed optimization guide, but we will get into some pretty interesting things that if you're not sure about, you don't have to do. Or, like I'll say at the beginning of the video, is I would recommend creating a restore point. Yeah, let's get right into it. To start off, all you're going to want to do is come over here, search up Device Manager, open it up, scroll down until you find System Devices, click this, open it up, scroll down until you find High Precision Event Timer, right click it, and click Disable Device. Next up, once again, come to your search, do %temp%, open up the folder, every single file in here, so I just do Control A. Want to delete that. It's gonna delete quite a bit of stuff here, so I'll get you guys some storage and speed up your computer. For this one, if it's already open, just do this for all current items and skip. And then if it says it needs like certain permissions, click do this for all items and then click try again. Next up, come down here, search up game mode, come into game mode settings, go ahead and turn that on. After that, you're going to want to come over here, search up edit power plan, click on power options. Usually this will be hidden, show your additional plans. There should be high performance, set it to that. If there's no high performance here or here, what you can do is come over here, create a power plan, and then set it to high performance, and then create it and use that. After that, I actually have something for your storage, so come over here, search up storage sense. Go to turn on storage sense. Just make sure you go ahead and turn that on. It should clear up some storage for you whenever it can. Alright guys, once you're done that, once again come down to search up system settings, come to view advanced system settings. Under performance, click on settings, and then if you want, you can just do adjust for best performance, which is going to untick all these, and then you can apply it. Or I'll give you a second to actually copy the ones that I have. It's just so that you get more performance, but then Windows also doesn't look as choppy. Boom, boom, boom. The next thing after that, search up mouse, come into mouse settings, do additional mouse options, come over to pointer options, and make sure enhance pointer precision is not checked. Then do apply and OK. Now, come down here, search up color, go up to color settings. Make sure you turn off transparency effects. Basically, it'll just make it so that like your taskbar isn't like transparent and it's just like one solid color, and it'll save you some performance. Now, search up startup apps, come over here. Just make sure that you have all of the non-important ones off, and then whatever you actually do need, just go ahead and leave that on. Now, search up game bar, go to game bar settings, make sure you turn off Xbox game bar, turn this off. Come over to captures, you're going to want to turn all of this off. Once you're done there, search up graphics, go to graphic settings. Some people say this helps improve performance. For me, it actually doesn't. It causes screen tear, but you could try it if you want, turning it on. If you guys want to increase performance for any specific kind of app, you're just going to want to come here, click on browse, come to your drive, and then you're going to click on program files, and then you're going to want to find whoever makes the game. In this example, it would be Epic Games for Fortnite. Come over to Fortnite, you go to Fortnite game, binaries, Windows 64, and then find the exe for the game. You click this, click add, it'll show up down here. You just want to click on it, click options, and then set it to high performance. Now we're going to go ahead and search up privacy settings, come in here, and turn all of these off. This actually turned itself back on, and we do not want that. After that, search up background apps. Make sure you have let apps run in the background off. Now for the next step, you're going to want to download either GeForce Experience or the NVIDIA app if you do actually have an NVIDIA card. I don't know about like Radeon cards, but for NVIDIA systems, just come over to the app, come to drivers, click this. If there's a driver available, click install, and then make sure you do express installation and just let that install itself. I think they come out with a new one every 2 weeks or so, or like every month. So yeah, just make sure you stay updated on that. Once you've updated your graphics driver, come on down, search up updates. It'll bring you to Windows updates. Just do a quick check, make sure there's no updates that you need. If there is, let them install. If it says view optional updates, click on that and click install all optional updates. Once you've done the updates, come over here again, search up optimize. It'll say defragment and optimize drives. You're going to want to click on there. Come to your main drive, click optimize. Just follow the steps, super simple, and then close. Now this is for you people that use Steam or Discord whenever you're playing. You're going to want to open up Steam. Come here, click settings. Come on down to in-game, and then turn off enable the Steam overlay when in game. For Discord, you're going to want to come over to Discord, open it up, scroll down to game overlay, and make sure you have enable in-game overlay. Now, this is mostly preference, but it actually can help slightly with your performance while you're in a game. So go ahead and turn off your notifications. Now getting into some of the more kind of complicated settings, I'd say, for NVIDIA users, is come to your desktop, right click, open up NVIDIA control panel. You're going to want to make sure this is set to as high as refresh rate as it can go for your main monitor. Come over to manage 3D settings. After you've come into manage 3D settings, just copy these settings that I have. Feel free to slow down the video if you need. Make sure this is set to your main GPU. There you go, program settings does not matter, don't forget to apply that. Come up to adjust image settings with preview, and just select use my preference, emphasizing, and then slide this to performance and apply. Now, come down here, search up apps and features. Come here, and I'd recommend just to scroll through this list of all the apps on your computer, and just get rid of any dumb ones that you don't need, also known as bloatware. Make sure as well while you're doing this, search up virus, come to virus and threat protection, and just go ahead and do a quick scan to make sure that you don't have any viruses on your computer that could be slowing it down. If you do happen to have a file that gets detected as a virus, just click on it, click remove from my device, and then click start. Now these next steps are actually to improve your internet if you are using Ethernet or even Wi-Fi. Basically, just come down here to your Ethernet or Wi-Fi, come to open network settings, click on properties, click the back arrow here, click on change adapter options, come over to your Ethernet, go to properties, and then copy these properties that I have in here. That's all, and then come to your IPv4, click on it, click properties, and then use the DNS in here as 8888, like 8.8.8.8 as the top one, and then the alternate do 8.8.4.4, and then click OK. The next thing I'm actually going to have you guys do is go ahead and turn on XMP in your BIOS settings. If you don't know what it is, basically when you buy RAM for your computer or you even get a pre-built, the RAM will have a rated speed that it's going to run at, but if you do not turn on XMP in your BIOS settings, the RAM will not run at the speed that it says it will run at. So you just want to go in there and just turn that on. I will just put a video on screen now showing how to do that. It's super simple.
So let's go ahead, turn off your computer, and then when you're turning it back on, spam the delete key on your keyboard, the DEL one. Doing this on an MSI motherboard will take you into its BIOS. If your screen does not look like this, hit F7 on your keyboard and enter advanced mode. Next step, you'll see that they made it even easier by having an XMP profile right here. So go ahead, select it, then navigate to settings and choose save changes and reboot. It'll show that the only change we have is XMP going from disabled to enabled.
Once you guys have enabled XMP, come over to your browser and search up Intelligent Standby List Cleaner. Come to the top link, come here for click here for download, and then just go ahead and download it. Once you guys have downloaded it, go ahead and open it up. Now that you guys have it open, all you're going to need to change in here is set this to half the amount of RAM you have. So I have 32 gigabytes, so I've set this to 16 gigabytes or 16,000 megabytes. And then every once in a while, you can come through and click Purge Standby List. It's basically just going to clear up your RAM for you. As you can see, I have much more free memory now. And then come over here, set timer resolution to 0.5, and then do Enable Custom Timer Resolution. Once we're done with that, if you guys actually are optimizing your computer for a game like Fortnite, come over to your Epic Games launcher, go into your library, go ahead and find Fortnite, click the 3 dots, click Options, and make sure you have only Fortnite and then also pre-download streamed assets. This will get you better performance and this will save you storage because you don't need these two, and then click Apply. Next, come over here, search up Core Isolation, go ahead and open that and just turn off memory integrity. Next, we're going to search up inking and typing personalization privacy settings. Come in here, turn that off. Then search up activity history privacy setting and turn off store my activity history on this device. Now guys, search up system configuration, open that up, come over to boot, click on advanced options. For your boot options, check number of processors, click on it and set it to the highest number it can be, and then click OK. Another thing you can actually do to optimize Fortnite is come into your files, come down to your drive that you have Fortnite installed on, open up program files, Epic Games, Fortnite, Fortnite game, binaries, Windows 64, look for Fortnite client Windows shipping 64 whatever. Click on it, click properties, come over into compatibility and turn on disable full screen optimizations and click apply and OK. Next thing I've got for your internet is come back to Google, search up TCP optimizer, come to the top link. Once on this website, come to TCP optimizer download this, go ahead, set up, make sure you run it as administrator. I actually haven't because I have no need to change any of these settings. Let it go ahead and open, and then copy these settings that I have here. Select your network adapter you're using, like Wi-Fi or Ethernet. You can set this to custom to be able to adjust these. Slide this to 100, and feel free to pause if you need to see anything. Now if you actually use Google Chrome, come over into Chrome, open it up, sign in, come to the 3 dots, go to settings, go to system, and then turn off continue running background apps when Chrome is closed. Now guys, after you've done all of this, you're just going to come into your settings, click this, and restart your PC to make sure that everything gets applied. If this video did help you guys and you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. It means a lot. And if anybody has any problems, just go ahead and drop it in the comment section below. I'll make sure to help you out to my best. And I hope everybody has an amazing new year. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.